She's following her dreams and she's inspiring others. So today I'm going to do some chores, regular schmegular type. Did my hair. I prefer my extensions to be poofy like my hair, nappy like my hair, natural like my hair. But it's hard to find, so I'll be using Marley hair. That's what this is, if you're wondering and you're concerned. I'm taking my vitamin because everybody that's successful takes vitamins. It looks like somebody put some long-ass pubes in my sink, but that's just from cutting his hair. Chill on me. Chill on me. Look, cleaned up. Yay, now it's time for some more chores. So I'm going to go change the clothes over, but I'm not going in the basement without putting a bonnet back on my head. You play those games if you want to. I do not. All it takes is your hair brushing against a spider web and boom, your hair is infested with spiders. I can't do it. I can't do it. Washed my rugs, my couch covers, all that jazz. It look alright. I got these from Dollar General for like $2. I don't have a preference because I don't normally wash my own clothes. Like, chill on me, okay, chill on me. But like, I don't think that's fair. So I don't like doing it. Gotta get the trash out, whack. Then I wash my hands and wake up my bundle of joy. Here's how that went. Hi, precious baby. It's time to wake up.
Wake up, little boy.
That made you laugh. Good morning. Good day. Happy rising. I be trying to be all spiritual and stuff. I don't be knowing what to say. Good morning. Like, no, you can't say that. I was finna leave, but I had to double back for the bag. Need the bag for the groceries. Whenever I have a Marley fro, it's just on and off and on and off with the bonnets. That sun though. The way we were going here to Wally World for our food pickup and then to Target.